Lesson number 1. Never ever try to do videos when you have kittens in the household. Not content with what he was doing in the last one, where he decided to show his ass to the world, he has now decided that he was uncomfortable with the position he was in, and thus is now taking the use of my chest. He has decided that my chest is more comfortable than my lap, and as you can see, he has made himself quite comfortable. So much for doing any more videos today until something gains his interest and he leaves me alone.